You think you know me?
Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm just making a quick video today. I'm going to do some modifications to my Chonda here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to change out to a pod filter, which means I have to take the airbox out, which takes a lot of work, I hear, based on what I've seen other people do. Also, with the filter out, I also brought a breather filter for the crankcase, and while I'm in there, I'm going to change out my fuel filter too. But I'm just going to make a few mods today, give it a little bit more power. I can't do a lot because this is the DLX fuel injected model, and unfortunately there is no updates, no way to tune the computer on this. As you can see, I've already taken my seat off, my air filter box off. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and try to take as much stuff off of the air box as I can so I can slip that out. Alright, some of the first things I'm doing, obviously loosening up the clamp here at the throttle body. I moved my brake reservoir out of the way. And of course, I took some of the screws off this top piece that holds the top of the filter box together. And of course, on this side, I have to move my starter solenoid. I'm going to be pulling the battery out of the way. I think that's going to be in the way. Give me a little bit more room to work. I'll be able to rewire, or at least move some of the stuff up underneath the seat once I get all this done and get the air filter box out. There's also a bolt on this side, so I'm going to work on that now. Alright everybody, this is where I'm at so far, trying to get the air box out. I actually took the battery out. I loosened up two of the bolts that hold the battery tray on there, and I pushed the box down, the air box itself, and I've been trying to wiggle this out through the side frame. I've almost got it out, so I've been trying very carefully not to break any wiring. Most of the wiring's pretty simple on here if I do, so. But the top part's coming out. Now I'm still fighting with the inside part after that. Alright, battery tray's completely out of the way. I actually pulled the hose off the front of the box too. I got the air box almost out of here now. Now it's just a matter of trying to get it out over the back wheel, I guess. Have to fart around with that a little bit, but all the hoses are disconnected, and this will be ready to go here pretty soon. Alright, that thing pretty much came out without me having to struggle too bad once I had it torn apart. Now what I'm going to do is just go through, make sure I didn't nick any wires. Kind of had to yank on it and beat on it a little bit to get it out, but I actually got the box out all in one piece. Now it's just a matter of putting the filters on and seeing how that goes from there. Hopefully I'll get a little bit more power. I was expecting too much, but any little mod will help, I guess. Alright everybody, it's been a few weeks since I've had a chance to work on the Chonda here. I'm going to show you my progress so far. Like I said, I had the air box out there. It was a few weeks ago I worked on this. Got the air filter on, the pod filter that went on. It was pretty easy. Got the new fuel filter in there. I'm going to go ahead and show you what I did for the breather filter before I put the battery back in. I've got that on there pretty good. I zip tied it so it kind of stays out of the way. It won't hit the shock or anything. Right now I'm just kind of neating up the wires before I put the battery back in. And then I got to get some fresh gas in this too. This gas is actually pretty old that's in the bike so far. I was already starting to have a few issues with the gas getting old in there, so I'm going to go ahead and get this button back up a little bit and see if we can get some fresh gas in there and get it started, see if it runs okay. But that's where I'm at so far.